Welcome to Hoteliers Connect Jobs and Info India. I'm Jacob Kamal, a hotelier. The today topic we are going to see the vegetable names in three different languages: Tamil, Hindi, and English. So, as a hotelier, we work in different places, but we speak one language, right? So, this video I hope will be useful for you all, and let us know what other kind of training programs, what other doubts, what other videos you like us to place. Definitely we'll place them. Meanwhile, we are in the period of lockdown. If you like to service your kitchen hood, kindly contact Bright Cleanings. After my speech, the small 30-second videos are going to come. So kindly watch and approach them for your all kind of kitchen hood service and cleaning. Then, before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. It will be helpful for us. Thank you all. Let's get into the video. Welcome to Hoteliers Connect Jobs and Info India. Today's topic: vegetable names in three languages. In English, celery. In Hindi, ajamoda. In English, ascot or white gourd or white pumpkin. In Tamil, பூசணிக்காய். In Tamil, kattirikai. In English, brinjal or eggplant. In Hindi, baingan. Beetroot in English. Tamil, there is no specific name. In Hindi, chukandar. In Tamil, pavakai. In English, bittergourd. In Hindi, karela. In Tamil, suraikai. In English, bottle gourd. In Hindi, lauki. In Tamil, avarekai. In Hindi, papidi. In English, broad beans. In English, broccoli. In Tamil, பச்சை பூக்கோசு. In Tamil, முட்டைக்கோசு. In English, cabbage. In Hindi, patta gobi. In Tamil, kudai milagai. In English, capsicum or green bell pepper. In Hindi, simla mirch. In English, carrot. In Tamil, there is no specific name. In Hindi, gajar. In Tamil, பூக்கோசு. In English, cauliflower. In Hindi, gobi. In Tamil, milagai. In English, chilli. In Hindi, mirchi. In Tamil, kotta varangai. In English, cluster beans or French beans. In Hindi, gaur ki bali. In Tamil, tengai. In English, coconut. In Hindi, Noriel. In Tamil, Chepan Kilangu. In English, Colocasia or taro roots. In Hindi, Arabi. In Tamil, Kottamalli Thalai. In English, coriander leaves. In Hindi, Dhania Patta. In Tamil, Makka Cholam. In English, corn. In Hindi, Makka. In Tamil, Vellarikkai. In English, cucumber. In Hindi, Kire. In Tamil, Karuvepillai. In English, curry leaves. In Hindi, Kadipatta. Thanks for watching. We meet you soon in same video as part 2.